just fell.
Ba-da-da-ding!
Wait! It's not just the compass. My bike bell, a spoon, some screws. They've all gone missing this week. Whoa! Did that screwdriver just scoot away from me? My sensor's picking up something. A weird magnetic pulse. Getting stronger every day. And my compass has been spinning like crazy since this morning. Something's messing with it. Then we're not waiting around. We're finding out where this trail leads. Tonight! Before the science fair tomorrow! Ooh, we're detectives now? I've always wanted a magnifying glass moment! Look, it's not random. It's pointing straight through the back door. Ghost hunting duty officially engaged! I've never chased a ghost before. Is this normal? There's no such thing as ghosts. But there is a mystery. Let's go solve it! Nope, nope, nope! Things are not supposed to move on their own! Whatever's doing this, it's getting stronger the further we go. That's a real clue! Guys? That's the old scrapyard! Are we really going in there? Or we could just go home and forget the whole Nope! Come on! Okay, officially spooked. Officially still going in. Heads up! Thanks. Wait, was that a wrench? It's not random at all. Everything's being pulled toward one spot. Something in the middle is calling all this metal!
My sensor's going crazy! We're getting close!
It's not a ghost. It's a giant electromagnet. The storm last week must have short-circuited it back on. An electromagnet, kids. That's a magnet you can switch on and off with electricity. Wild, right? Here's the secret. Electricity flowing through a coiled wire around metal makes it magnetic. cut the electricity, and the magnetism disappears too. Wood doesn't conduct electricity or get pulled by magnets. Perfect tool for the job. Mystery officially solved. It was never a ghost, just science. So remember, an electromagnet is a magnet powered by electricity. Turn off the power and poof! No more pull. Yay! Mystery officially solved. Just science, not a ghost. Want to try it yourself? Ask a grown-up for a battery, some wire, and an iron nail. Wrap connect and watch the magic happen! Hit subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a mystery! Tell us in the comments, would you have gone into that scrapyard? Next time, something in the kitchen defies gravity! See you there!